Straight Panda gimana? Kopi? Lengkap, semua udah ada.
Lengkap.
Dicita, makanan ada? Lengkap nggak? Makanan.
Buat apa sih? Kenapa sih? Madam kok ribet banget? Emang
Aku
ada apa sih?
stres. Kalian tahu nggak sih? Aku udah beli ini tempat. Jadi kalau aku minta sesuatu harus ada makanan, kopi itu harus semua lengkap. Gimana sih? Блин, а здесь, смотри, сколько пыли. Что ж такое, а?
Madam, emang ada
Да
apa
как
sih?
же так, а? Вы меня не слушаете, я уже сказала. Кофе, еду.
Lu beres-beres. Intinya begitu deh.
Aduh.
Iya, Wicita, aku
iya,
ini stres aku hari ini ada
Kenapa sih,
bintang
Madam?
tamu dari Amerika.
Oh, ada bintang tamu hari ini? Kok aku nggak
Iya,
tahu?
temen aku.
Dari Amerika?
Dari Amerika,
my
sebentar
God.
lagi mau nyampe. By
Panda.
the way,
Sini dulu.
aku cek ya.
Iya.
Kopi udah ada, lengkap.
Tenang,
Makanan?
ada.
Aman.
Oke, ini semua bersih. Oh, itu foto. Aku mau ganti, aku nggak suka.
Kan foto ada pandanya gitu.
Tapi kan mami, aku mau ganti.
Oh, gitu.
Pokoknya Panda, kamu cari fotografer paling terkenal, paling termahal sedunia. Dan kita foto berdua, dan aku mau ganti foto itu.
Oke, siap.
Jadi itu harus di take
Udah,
over.
down.
Oke.
Oke.
Oke, Revolution People. Kembali lagi dengan kita, Revolution Law. Dan kali ini, jadi kita sudah berubah ya guys. Jadi ini ada bos baru kita, Madam Lota. Jadi suasana baru.
Revolution Liquid, because quality matters.
Madam, tadi katanya mau ada bidang.
Iya, itu dia, aku stres, udah siap belum?
Udah, tenang.
Foto masih ada tuh di atas.
Nanti diganti, Madam, tenang aja
Turunin
pokoknya.
aja, mata aku perih lihat foto.
Aduh, sepertinya ada dendam pribadi. Gitu ya. Nah, besok tenang pokoknya. Panda ganti pokoknya, tenang.
Langsung book studio.
Iya,
Jangan lupa,
siap.
jangan
Udah
lupa.
nanti di
Jadi
calling.
apa aja fotografer yang terkenal?
Oh, siap.
Termahal,
Oke.
paling oke
Udah.
pokoknya.
Ya udah, oke. Jadi itu aja lah, kita nunggu ya temen aku datang dari Amerika.
Bule-bule.
Mereka cakep, ganteng.
Ganteng pasti ini ya. Siapa sih penasaran?
Nah, ya.
Siapa ya?
Oh itu
Gue dari Amerika juga.
Wah, kalau ini saya kenal nih. Halo. Apa?
Hai, nice to meet you.
Hai, Lotar.
Oh,
Panda
kenal.
udah kenal ya?
Kalau yang
kenal?
satu ini kenal. Ini salah satu apa ya? Desainer RDA pertama di Indonesia. Siapa yang nggak tahu Mike Drugan? Harus tahu semua dong. Ya nggak?
Desainer pertama RD itu bisa datang ke Revolution Lounge.
Oh, yo.
Banget, thank you. Sudah datang. Thank you for coming guys.
Terima kasih udah diundang.
Wah, kita yang terima kasih udah disamperin nih.
Apa kabar sebelumnya?
Baik.
Sama siapa aja nih?
Sama ini teman dulu kita kenal dari Coil Builder. Jadi udah lama
oke.
banget dari 2014, right?
2013, ya.
2013?
Iya. Tapi kalau dulu kita ketemunya cuma lewat Instagram gitu-gitu. Terus ya udah 2 tahun belakangan ini mereka sempat bisa main ke Jakarta, terus karena gue udah desain RDA, gue suka ikut expo di luar. Akhirnya gue ketemu mereka personally gitu. Jadi kita makin dekat sih.
Nah, kalau ngelihat dari Instagram.
Kenalin dulu. Ini
Oh, boleh. Kenalin dulu.
Nanya apa kabar?
How are you?
Mereka baru datang.
Introduce yourself.
By the
My
way,
name's
is it?
Beecher.
Oh iya.
Ya?
Picture, on Instagram, Coilturd.
Oke.
Oh, I'm Kent. I'm Twisted Messes. Known as Twisted Messes.
Khusus message
Yeah.
Is it your first time in Jakarta?
No, I've been here. I was here 4 months ago.
performance.
I like it a lot. Yeah.
You like it?
I had to come back. So.
Okay, good.
Speak louder.
Namanya siapa?
I have a microphone.
Twisted Message.
Twisted Messes
Lo
and
kok nanya temen lo sih?
Tadi kirain ngasih tahu namanya siapa gitu.
Ya itu tadi dia dikasih tahu.
Oh, oke.
dan awalnya kenal dari Instagram.
Iya. You guys know you guys know each other from Instagram and then you'll be friends, right?
Yes.
So it's like
You
for
too, right?
No,
Can you tell us the story about how you
Yeah,
met?
please.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
And
It's a
how
long.
you started your business.
Oh, how I started my business?
Yeah.
No.
About the
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No problem. Well, I just really liked vaping. You know, I quit smoking with like a little Ego battery, a CE4, like a long time ago, 2012, and I thought there has to be a way to make more vapor, and so that's what got me interested in RDAs, building coils, is just to get more vapor, more satisfying experience, and so that's what I started doing. I started buying atomizers, RDAs, and wire, and then I realized that I really love to make the coils, and so that's why I started doing the Instagram, is to share it. And back in 2013 and 2014, there was just like the coils that everybody built was just round wire, you know,
Yeah.
and so.
Yeah.
Some of us on Instagram like started to build more complex coils. And
Really?
It had a lot of fun, and so everyone was sharing ideas. It was a really cool community. That's when the first build community started. That's when Mike showed up.
in 2013.
2014 is when it started really taking off. Yeah,
Okay.
and then they started having conventions, and it became builders started being able to go to conventions and build coils for people, and that was a new thing back then. You know. To have like really cool coils that you'd see on Instagram, you can go to a convention and buy it. And that's when I met Beecher. Yeah, he was building for.
Great.
Ya, basically ya dari teman-teman kita kalau builder gitu terus kenal, akhirnya ketemunya di Expo.
Ketemunya di Expo di sini.
Kalau mereka ketemu duluan sih. Expo di luar kan ada NV, ada ECC,
Oke.
right?
Yeah, ECC was the first expo I went to.
Ya. ECC. Jadi mereka ketemu di ECC, terus gue ketemu si Kent juga di ECC. I met you too, right? First time at the ECC? Yeah.
ICC itu yang di Cina ya?
IEC tuh.
Oh, beda ya. Kayak ngerti aja gue dari tadi ngobrol. Iya aja.
Jangan ketiduran lah dengernya ya.
What do you think about coil builders in Indonesia? Like,
Oh,
is
it's
it the
tightest group of people
Iya.
I've ever met.
Really?
really?
Yeah. I mean, the coil building scene, I think in Indonesia is
There's nothing like it in the whole world. It's amazing.
It's pretty
Yeah.
awesome.
The first time I came to Jakarta was for the Jakarta Vapor Expo in 2017 or 2018 last year, and what I saw there is a Indo coil builder group of over 100 coil builders all together, hanging out, being friends. It's like the community is seriously something very, very special. I saw that as heartwarming. I've never seen anything like it before.
Indonesia,
Proud to be an Indonesian, right?
emang culture ya orang
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Iya, ngerti nggak Panda?
Ikut tepuk tangan aja lah. Tangan ikut tepuk tangan dong.
Intinya,
Kamu pakai
pokoknya
Google
komunitas kita tuh
Translate.
keren banget.
Oh,
Paling
kuat
bersatu,
lah ya.
Kuat gitu
Oke.
loh. Makanya kita harus bangga dong.
Oh, berarti.
Dong, iya.
Revolution Liquid. Because quality matters.
Sorry, do you want coffee?
Yeah, please.
Okay, the coffee. Cappuccino or latte?
Latte.
Latte ya. Ya, latte ya. Oke.
Emang kita ada latte ya?
Nggak tahu, dia sebenarnya kayaknya ingat aja namanya.
Oh nama ingat latte.
Yang
Pokoknya
gampang
kopi.
aja
Gampang
latte.
kopi. Tuh,
Oke.
udah jadi lah gitu kan.
Wah, cepet banget. Terbaik.
Buat Om Mike nih pastinya. Kenapa sih kalau coil builder tuh kebanyakan jarang yang anak muda gitu. Kebanyakan yang sudah
Maksud lu gue nggak muda ya?
bukan, maksudnya gimana ya? Jarang gitu kayak yang kayak ke coil chaser, kalau coil trick kan banyak kan anak-anak muda banget nih. Cuman di coil builder kayaknya yang lebih gimana gitu.
Lebih
Jadi-
mature ya.
Ya,
Lebih mature ya, betul, lebih enak, lebih
Iya, siap lebih senior lah gitu.
Senior.
Jadi coil builder itu kan kayak kita bikin art di dalam vape itu ada butuh art gitu, tapi lewat coil. Nah, karena art itu jadi kadang kita jadiin suatu bentuk hobi, jadi itu kayak releasing stress lah kalau dulu tuh. Stres kantor, terus kita bikin coil itu cukup bikin kita seneng dengan hasil yang udah kita capai, habis itu kita foto, terus kita liatin di Instagram. Gitu, jadi lebih kesan lebih kayak ke hobinya sih yang pengen diambil dulu, dan gue startingnya emang dulu dari coil builder.
Gitu.
Iya, aku juga dengar ya banyak yang coil builders. Yeah, I heard that many of the coil builders they become photographers.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Yeah? Is it true?
It's true, yeah.
Yeah, can you?
But why?
Yeah.
What's
Why?
the reason?
Well, I mean, it all starts with, well, this happened to me
Okay.
too. I started taking pictures of coils, and then I got a camera, and then it was juice.
Yeah.
And then that became easy for me. So if you look at my Instagram page, there's a big block of pictures where it's just product shots. And then I went back to taking photos of coils now. And I think a lot of,
Yeah, that's just how it kind of happens now, because, excuse me, like back in 2014, no one had a fancy camera for their coils.
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it's just like you're in your kitchen making coils for your RDA, and you got your cell phone.
with the clip.
You take a little picture, and then we found they had these macro lens attachments because you want to make a better picture of your coils. That's like the original thing of the motivation to get a better camera or something is because you want your coils pictures to look better for Instagram.
Yeah.
And then so once you upgrade to a DSLR and a macro lens and you're stacking your photos and all this stuff, then I mean, why not take pictures of other stuff because you've already learned
Just
everything
clicks
for the coils.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So I think it kind of goes like that.
Yeah.
Jadi secara perkembangannya, akhirnya teman-teman dari coil builder di seluruh dunia nih ya, jadi nggak di Indonesia doang, di Amerika, di Prancis, dimanapun itu, akhirnya mereka dipercaya sama brand untuk jadi fotografernya gitu. Bahkan mereka juga dibayar gitu. Jadi dari mereka bikin coil, mereka dapetin followers karena mereka followers itu suka dengan foto-foto coilnya dia. Terus akhirnya dikasih produk untuk foto, akhirnya orang juga tahu tentang foto itu gitu. Jadi perkembangannya dari sana sih sampai sekarang. Jadi banyak juga di Indonesia coil builder itu akhirnya sekarang udah jarang bikin coil tapi lebih banyak foto.
Iya.
Dan jadi
Kayak yang sekarang ini.
Revolution Liquid. Because quality matters.
Latte.
Yeah.
Ini beneran latte?
Mike?
Apa?
Oh iya.
You want some?
Sekenanya aja.
Alright, cheers. Lo nggak minum, Mbak?
Lagi diet.
Oh lagi deh. Oh boleh. Mau.
Nggak, jangan.
Oh udah siap. Lagi
Takut
Lagi
iya
diet,
gula
madam.
kan, manis, nggak boleh.
Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
My drink is too fast.
Oh. Like vaping
Is this your-
and not drinking.
Are you professional? I think you must be.
Ya profesional.
Barista.
Yeah, barista.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is sachet.
Gue suka deg-degan tiba-tiba kalau ditanya gitu. Di sini doang.
Bingung ya?
Segmen ini doang.
I was wondering actually, RDA Twisted Messes, do you sell it like in Indonesia also? Can we find it here?
Yeah, it's here, for sure. Yeah, all over the whole world
Oh, oh,
has
I
a
see.
distro. Yeah,
Is it in offline stores or we can also order online?
it should be available online. I would assume. I don't know which specific website. I just sell to this distributor. And then
Yeah, can you tell the story about how you're starting the Twisted Message idea, the first few one?
The first Twisted Messes RDA, yeah. So back in 2013, 2014, all the RDAs had really small post holes. So you can't fit more than just like a 26 gauge, maybe a 24 gauge wire in the holes. And so the people who were doing the builds, you know, they twisted a lot of wire together, made larger coils. They'd have to, as soon as they get an RDA, they drill out the post holes with a drill to modify it, and you make the bigger air holes. So everybody's changing their RDA as soon as they get it in order to put their builds in. So all I wanted was an RDA, an atomizer, but you can put any build you want in. You don't have to change it, you know? You don't have to alter it with a drill and stuff. And so that was the Twisted Messes version 1. It had the 3 3mm post holes. It can fit almost any build that you want to put in there, and the top cap was designed so that you could maximize the size of the coils you could put in there. So it was the first coil builder's RDA, the Twisted Messes version 1. You know, and then that's how it's always. That's always my motivation in designing a new product, is to make it for coil builders and also make it accessible to the everyday builder. Like it's not like a super
it makes
advanced.
Easier for everyone.
Yeah, it's just
right?
an easy RDA to use, and it creates a good vape. You know.
Yeah. And how did you come up with the name? Why Twisted Mess?
Twisted Messes. Yeah, I was thinking about it a long time to figure that name out. So, because I would twist a lot of wire, you know, and then I thought my builds looked pretty cool. So I was, at first I was thinking like, oh, I'm gonna call it like Twisted Beauty or something like that.
But it sounds like girl or
Twisted Heaven or something. You know, and then I was like, I decided, oh, it's kind of like a mess, like Twisted Mess, you know. And then it also that makes people think like I'm just trying to be humble, you know, even though I really liked my builds. But, but, you know,
Jadi kalau misalnya gue boleh tambahin, jadi tadi kan dia juga, ini gue ceritain dari yang tadi dia cerita. Jadi basicnya dasarnya gini, dulu itu coil itu kan cuma ada pakai kawat biasa gitu kan, ukuran 24, 22, 26 gitu. Terus dia starting bikin, kita namanya Clapton, tapi sama cuman single coil doang. Single coil, abis itu dia bikin YouTube channel, dia bikin YouTube channel kan, cara bikin Clapton dengan single core di dalamnya. Itu, abis itu dia coba bikin 2. Di video YouTube-nya dia tutorialnya, di situ juga gue banyak belajar sama teman-teman di Indonesia juga coil builder gitu. Jadi dari situlah gue tahu si Twisted Messes gitu. Nah, tahun 2014 itu, 2014 RDA itu pose-nya semuanya kecil. Jadi cuma bisa masuk ukuran 24, bahkan 22 kadang-kadang nggak bisa muat gitu. Akhirnya dia bikin RDA di mana itu bisa mengakomodir coil-coil yang udah dengan yang ukuran jauh lebih besar. Gitu.
Berarti ukuran yang pertama ditemukan untuk Twisted Messes itu ya? Ukuran yang buat coil art bisa masuk ke dalam posnya itu?
Iya, dia yang pertama waktu itu. Jadi kita cukup surprisingly, kita senang banget dengan apa yang dia buat pertama kali waktu itu.
Oke, mantap. Yang memfasilitasi coil builder dalam berkarya, ini salah satunya gitu maksudnya. Kalau bahasa Indonesia gue ngerti. Kalau bahasa Inggris gue iya.
And you as a coil builder, is it just a trend, hobby, or it's like passion for you guys?
It started for me as a hobby.
Yeah.
Because just like him, I was using a device that didn't really produce a lot of vapor. So I had a buddy who had an RDA, and he came up to me and blew a giant cloud, and I was like, I want to do that. How do I do that? And he's like, you got to build coils.
So you get motivated, right?
Yeah, so I started building coils, and I think it was about a year after he was building, and I got an Instagram, and I started copying all the pictures everybody was doing, trying it myself, and doing different builds and everything like that. And then it became my job, but I love what I'm doing. So now I sell coils in the US and for the UK and Canada, and so now it's a passion of mine that I get to do for a living.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Revolution Liquid, because quality matters.
Gua emang agak tegang banget ya dari tadi karena susah gitu mentranslate ini.
Kurang lemes gitu
Iya, kurang lemes. Kita lemesin dulu nih sama games pastinya ya. Bahas kalian kita akan kasih games nih.
Oke, bentar ya, diambil dulu game saya.
Ini gue beresin nih.
Beresin.
So we're gonna prepare a table for a game.
Yeah. So here it is.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
It's called Bad Dog. The game called Bad Dog.
All right.
So we have cards. On each card we have numbers. So you have to pick up the bones from here based on the number on the cards.
Dan warnanya juga.
and also based on the color of the bone.
color,
You
yeah,
see,
yeah.
it's blue,
Okay.
red, and yellow, white.
And the
Okay,
dog
who
will-
go first?
Michelle, no,
No, I got this.
okay.
Yeah.
It's my man. Careful, bro. Careful, bro.
Scary.
I'm right-handed,
Get
so
bitten.
Oh, bebas.
Pick
Bebas.
the card.
did you put the 20 bones on here?
No.
Just one red one. Yeah, dude. That's why I go
One
first.
red.
But red one.
Oh.
Okay.
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 Yay.
Okay.
My turn, yeah. Oh, okay.
You need to go.
I cannot wait.
Hurry.
One. Yellow. Take this one, take this one.
Easy, sir. Don't get nervous, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Your turn.
One. Yellow.
You guys sure it's not broken?
Seems like I never.
Aku digigit, aku takut rabies. Bener kan aku bilang pasti aku yang kena. Ya.
Jadi siapa nih pemenangnya kalau begini?
Kamu dari Amerika. Congratulations guys, you won.
Berarti
Nanti kirim lewat mail.
Kasih hadiah ya?
Iya,
Oh,
hadiah
oke.
dari Revolution Lounge.
siap.
So we'll later send you what is it called? Our merchandise
Yeah.
from Revolution Lounge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have another question. Which one is popular, RDA or the
RTA.
Wire.
Wire in Indonesia?
Twisted Messes.
Yeah.
It's for
Oh, the wire is more popular for
The
sure.
wire is
Yeah, yeah.
popular. Oh.
I mean, they both do well here, but like I think the wire is I think it's the Indo coil builder community. All the coil builders, like the community, is what makes the wire sales so good.
So.
You know?
Jadi kalau boleh ditambahin, entah kenapa wire-nya Twisted Messes tuh memang produce flavor lebih
Bagus ini.
enak dan lebih bagus sih, lebih bagus dari wire yang lain. Gue ngobrol sama si Ken, ternyata memang dia itu kadang dia kan itu kan ukurannya ada 34, 36, 38, 40 gitu. Semua wire-nya itu nggak cuma dia sembarang beli terus dia jual, tapi juga dicobain dulu. Jadi kadang-kadang ada 38 tapi nggak ada 36. Nanti dia ngasih tahu gue tuh karena emang gue masih belum nemuin yang enak gitu. Jadi dia cari dulu, dia pasti kualitasnya dicek dulu sih.
Nah, makanya itu bagus dan banyak dipakai untuk para gold builder di Indonesia gitu ya.
Dan para vapers J
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Pasti mantap dong.
Ini dong dah.
Nah, ini kalau
Lo belum nanya lo dari tadi.
Iya loh.
boleh nanya.
Lo belum nanya.
Jangan.
Nggak kita nanyain dong
Tegang.
message dari
Message,
mereka. Do you
yeah.
have a message for
Mau gue
Indonesia?
ajarin nggak? Mau gue ajarin nggak?
Gimana?
Do you have any messages for any vapers in Indonesia?
Do you
Have a message.
have message
For any vapers in Indonesia?
for any vapers in Indonesia?
Wow, really good.
You can talk to the camera.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, sure. So like, I think that Indonesia has something really special in general, but especially for the vaping community. You know, it's the way that everybody works together, no drama. You know, everybody collaborates and gets along. I think means a lot. You know, and I think it's really cool, really special. I like it here. I'm continue coming back. I appreciate you guys welcoming me here every time.
How's your any message for him?
Yeah, keep it up.
This is like
The Indonesian vaping community is awesome. Everybody's super nice and don't stop. I mean, it's great.
I'm interested.
Kalau dari
Pesan-pesannya dari gue banyak ketemu teman-teman dari luar negeri, ikut expo, terus ketemu kenal sana sini, terus melihat industri di sana dan para vapers. Memang Indonesia tuh sangat unik gitu. Unik tuh karena kita punya berbagai macam suku, budaya gitu kan. Jadi cara kita berkembang dalam sebuah membentuk komunitas itu sangat berbeda dengan mereka gitu. Mereka kan nggak ada suku kan, sukunya paling ya ada suku A sama B doang. Kalau kita kan banyak gitu kan. Nah karena kebudayaan kita juga ramah tamah, terus persaudaraan gitu-gitu, itu yang bikin kita lebih unik lagi daripada yang lain dan makin kuat sih. Jadi ya keep it up ya.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Message right there.
Keep it up.
Keep the industry live.
Oke, berarti
Biar lo nggak tegang lagi.
Iya.
Dari semuanya ya.
Oke, udah semuanya. Berarti thank you banget.
Terima kasih
Thank
udah
you for
diundang.
coming.
Thank you for
Terima kasih.
coming.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
Sama benar.
Oke, Revolution Launch dan di sini kita sudah di penghujung acara dan di sini gua Panda
Gue Wichita.
Aku Lota.
dan di sini ada Mike dan ada
Quencher.
and
Twisted Messes.
sampai jumpa di next
Bye guys, say bye.
Revolution Liquid, because quality matters.